Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how you can create motion animation for the images which you are inserting in your post. Okay, so for demo purpose I have installed this motion animation post, empty poster. So I will show you how to do that. So before doing this you should have Elementor plugin installed in your WordPress website. Okay. So this is a Elementor plugin. Okay, if you don't have one, you have to search and install it from here. Okay, so now we'll go to the post. So here once you have published this post, you have to edit it with Elementor. So this is getting loaded. So once it is loaded, you have to click this plus sign. Okay, so if you click this, you will be having many options for inserting the column. Okay, single column, double column, triple column, etc. So just for demo purpose I will take one column here. Now if you want to insert an image, so you have to click here. So once you click here, you will find these sections over here. Okay, so we have to just click this image, drag this one and drop it here. Okay, so once you have done this, dashboard will come. So now you have to go here and choose image. So once you have clicked this, if you are having any images already in your WordPress website, you can use that, or you can upload it from your laptop or computer. Or third option is also there. We can download free images which is powered by Pixabay. Okay, so these images will be free. So you can search for any of the category you want. Okay, so for demo purpose I will just type business here. Okay, so and I will upload some random figures. Okay, so insert. So once you inserted, this image will come here. Okay, so now you can change the size of the image. You can keep it as a thumbnail or a medium sized image or medium large. So you have different options over here. Okay, so for this one I will keep it at medium. Okay, and you can change the alignment also. Okay, you can either left align it, you can keep it in center, or you can right align it also. So I will keep it at the center. So now for applying this motion animation, we have to click this image, go to the advanced option. So scroll down and you have motion animation effects here. Okay, so you have to click this, and here you have entrance animation drop down menu. So from the menu we can choose any of the options. Okay, we have many options over here: fade in, fade down. Okay, so you can apply anything whichever you wish. Okay, once you make changes here, you will have the preview here itself. Okay, so now I will apply anything and I will show you the preview. So this is zoom in. So I have applied the zoom in option, and then you can set the duration for the animation. So you can make it slow or you can make it normal. This is normal, and you can make it fast also. So I will keep it slow, and you can apply a delay also. Okay, so once you have pressed, it will be applied after some time delay. Okay, so here I have an option for 100, 200, 300 like that. Okay, so I will set it as 100 millisecond. Okay, so once you have set all these things, you have to click this update. So once it is updated, you can preview it. So see, so now I have applied some delay, so it is coming later. Okay, so this is how you can apply the motion animation in your blog post.